Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Dubu Buchim, which is pan-fried tofu. Let's get started. To get started, we need a carton of tofu. Yesterday, I went to the Korean traditional market and got this tofu. Place it on a cutting board. Slice it half and turn it around and slice it into bite-sized pieces. You can cut it any size you want, but I like my tofu to be big, so I cut it this big. Place it back into your Tupperware. Get some paper towel and place it on a cutting board. And put the tofu back on the paper towel. And get some more paper towel and dry your tofu. Sprinkle some salt and pepper. We're adding salt to not only make the tofu more flavorful, but also to make the tofu more firm. So it will be harder to break during the cooking process. So make sure you don't skip this step. Put your tofu to the side. Next, get some green onions and slice it thinly. Put to the side. Next, we need one hot pepper. Cut the stem and slice thinly and dice them. And put to the side. Next, we're gonna make our sauce. We need 1 tablespoon of red pepper flake. We need 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. We need 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And we need 1 tablespoon of water. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seed. And green onion that we prepared earlier. And mix it well. So delicious. I really like this sauce. And put to the side. Next, get an all-purpose flour and put it to the bowl. And put to the side. And get 2 eggs and beat them up. And mix it well. And put to the side. Get your stove on medium high. And put some vegetable oils. And put your tofu in a flour and coat your tofu with flour. Dip your tofu in the egg. Once the pan is hot, lower your heat and place your tofu in the pan. While tofu is getting ready, let's start the fact, Kwon's Corner fact. There are a few different stories about how tofu got invented. One is that northern Chinese invented the tofu by accident while boiling the soy milk. Another one is that Mongolian nomads invented tofu after learning the cheese making process. The last one is that tofu came to Korea with Buddhism from India. Every story is different and no one knows when or how. But the most convincing to me is that a Chinese king had a soy milk invented for his mother because she was very old and could not chew the soybean anymore. And after inventing soy milk, he had tofu invented too. Once the bottom is golden brown, flip the tofu. When you flip it, be careful, it's really easy to break. Once both sides are ready, get your plate and a paper towel and place your tofu on there. And repeat this process until you run out of the tofu. Get your favorite plate and put your tofu on top. Put the sauce that we prepared earlier. And decorate with the hot pepper that we sliced. That's it. Our Dubu Buchim is all ready to eat. Eating time! Let's try. So good. Since I pan fried, it's really crispy on the outside and really tender on the inside. Tastes so good. Since I put the minced hot pepper on top, it's very spicy, but I like my food extra spicy, so good. And if you don't like spicy food, you can totally leave this part out. The sauce itself is really delicious, so you don't need a hot pepper. Tofu is really savory, and it goes well with the hot pepper and a hot sauce. So you should definitely try it. And if you try it, please send me a picture so I can show your picture in a future video. So see you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!